This is the fridge lock. It's super duper easy to apply with command strips on the back. And then it just has these little notches here that you push forward and pull out. Super easy to throw to the side, open the fridge. Yeah, looks really discreet. Yeah, but once you get the hang of it, super easy. It goes up or down if you applied it somewhere else. So, yeah. Okay, so to lock it, you simply push it in, and to unlock it, there's like two little pieces that slide, and you push that and slide it, pull the whole thing back, and then you're in business. It works really well for my toddlers who can easily climb up and open the fridge, but yep, there it is.
Okay, here we go. So this is the release side, and this is the hinge side. And you put it back up, you just snap it in place. And tug on it. So that's actually, let's see, when you first get it, you think that this is a release, but the release is over here, and it's just a pinch. And snap.
Doesn't work. Okay, now close it. Open the other one. Okay, close it. Lock.
No sirve.